What's up, fam? It's Naj with Built by Plants. Just got home from the grocery store. Two of them, actually. H-Mart and then Kroger. So what I want to do is just a little grocery haul. Just show you all what I picked up because we're about to do a hot pot at home tonight for our date night. All right, it's Monday. I haven't even eaten yet. It's 3 p.m. and I haven't eaten anything. So just want to show you all this before I start making my food. Hopefully y'all find these beneficial, helpful, just to show you kind of the options that you have out there. You know, when it comes to being vegan, it's not just broccoli, the boring salads. You got tons of different vegetables. Pretty sure some of these vegetables you probably never even heard of or seen. So this is some enoki mushrooms. These are really good mushrooms. I think the first time I had these was by Raina. I said by Raina. She brought them home, made them, and they was really good. They're great in soups, which is essentially what we're doing with the hot pot tonight. 45 calories per serving. This is 2 servings in the bag, so 90 calories. It's also 4 grams of protein for what it's worth. All right. Yeah, we got some oyster mushrooms. Now, oyster mushrooms are really cool. They come in different shapes, sizes, as you can see, because both of these are the same exact mushrooms. They're oyster mushrooms. They're just different shapes and such. And both of them are really good. I think I like this specific texture better than these over here, but you know, I like them both. So oyster mushrooms, they're actually pretty decent when it comes to protein too. Really low in calories, very filling. You can load up on these. You can make them so many different type of ways. You can air fry them, pan fry them. You know, I love to have, you know, for the holidays, fried oyster mushrooms, you know, like I used to have fried chicken and stuff. So make sure you're grabbing some of those. Next, we have some okra. I love okra. Okra is amazing. This is one of those foods that I did not love until Raina started making it, and she showed me how it can be good, right? So as y'all can see, I owe a lot of learning how to cook, right, to Raina. She helped me out a lot with that stuff. So trying to help y'all out. Hopefully we can just get on the channel so she can cook some more meals and help y'all. So okra, pan fried, okra, air fried, amazing, really good vegetables, right? Now this is one of the choys, all right? Well, this is in a choy family. This one is yu choy. It's kind of distorted how it shows. Let me see. It's not going to show. But it's YUCHOY tip. All right. So yu choy tips. I don't know much about this one, so I'm not even going to act like I do. It just look good. All right. So we're going to add these to our hot pot tonight for the soups. Or veggies. I loaded up on the veggies today. Well, as always. This is the Chinese broccoli. All right. Now it's very weird because they look exactly the same, right? But sure they don't taste the same. I actually like, I don't know if I said it or not, but I never had this specific one, or at least knowingly. But Chinese broccoli, I have had this and I love this. This is some of the most amazing stuff that you will ever have, vegetable wise. You probably would have never guessed that this was broccoli. This is why I said I wanted to do these videos so I can show y'all the different type of foods that y'all can have. Lots of leafy greens. It's not just a boring regular broccoli or spinach, which is nothing wrong with that. I love those as well, but you know, just to add a little bit more fun to your meals. Now this is bok choy, but they have different types of bok choy as well. So they got the baby bok choy. There's so many of them. Just like Google it, the different type of bok choys they have. But this one is really good. I do like the baby ones as well. But yeah, grab some of these. More vegetables, more options for you. These were on sale. The okra was on sale, so I just grabbed a couple of those things. All right. Next, we got some potatoes. All right, these are the gold potatoes. May or may not include those into my hot pot tonight. I probably will. They have like this natural butter-like flavor taste to them. I love them. So calories, basically roughly 1 potato. And it's really not 1 potato. It's you want to weigh it by the gram, all right? Or you want to go by the gram. So it says for 148 grams, you get 110 calories, all right? And then that's 3 grams of protein that's included in that. I always say the protein, I know it's under protein food, it's a carb source, but I always just like to throw those numbers out just so y'all can, you know, learn a little bit more and learn how to make your food combination. So potatoes, super filling, really good foods for you. Extra credit to anybody that knows what family potatoes are in, all right? We just got some onions, basic, little yellow onions. Over here, we have my beloved seitan, all right? This is my favorite protein source, my #1 protein source. I've been having it for 7 years, ever since I went vegan. One of my homies, Mike, who's also vegan. I haven't talked to Mike in a long time. But when I first went vegan, he was already vegan. He told me about seitan, and ever since then, I've been having it consistently. So one pack of this, 300 calories, 52 grams of protein, amazing protein source. And let me show you the other numbers. Look, only 4 grams of carbs per serving, 16 grams of carbs for the whole thing, 52 grams of protein for the whole thing, 1 gram of fat, right? So very concentrated protein source. So, hop on that. I grabbed a few of those, all right? Quite a bit of those things right there. Now, for Kroger, just got some really simple stuff. Grab some spinach. I'm gonna have this for lunch, actually. Probably make a big old salad. Got my Walden's Farms ranch dressing, and then Walden's Farms Thousand Island dressing. These are cheat codes. I haven't had these in a long time, actually. I think it's been like a year since the last time that I might have used Walden Farms. Maybe not a year, but consistently used it. I probably had it like once or twice since then, but at least I used to be on them heavy. I haven't hit them as much anymore, but 0-calorie dressings, you gotta always look because you want to make sure that it has the vegan on the side, right? That little V down there, if y'all can see that part. And it's not really 0 calories. If it says 0 calories and it's a dressing, anything like that, just know that they rounded it down to 0. So it might be like 5 calories a serving, 8 calories a serving, or whatever. But obviously that's relatively close to 0 because you burn that off. I'm probably burning that off by just talking and doing what I'm doing right now, talking to y'all and moving around. So, take it for what it's worth. But really quick way, really good and tasty way to still get, about 70% of the flavor that you will get from the real thing. A real ranch dressing. Well, when I say real, I mean like the plant-based version still. But the ones that have a lot more calories, and then the same thing for Thousand Island. And they really do mimic those tastes, Now, obviously they have, quite a few ingredients in there, so do what you want. I use them. If you don't want, some with a lot of different ingredients and stuff, I understand, but that's how I roll, especially when I'm dieting, And then I picked up this chickpea tofu, all right? So this is not soy. Not that I have a problem with soy, but this is chickpea, all right? So let me show you that. All right, so a serving size, there's, what did it say? 4 servings, about 4 servings in the whole container. So the serving size is 70, hopefully y'all can see this, 70 calories with 4 grams of protein. So the whole container is 280 calories with 16 grams of protein. So I just wanted to try it out, basically. And now I wouldn't say this is something I would buy consistently because, well, one, it's pretty costly. I think this thing was like $5.99 for this little thing, right? So mostly for that purpose, and it's not like it's like super high in protein or anything like that. It's not bad, but it's not really great, obviously, So 16 grams of protein for the whole thing. I mean, it's all right, but it doesn't cross that number that I always tell you all. Per 100 calories, you want about 10 grams of protein, all right? And higher. Not that you can't eat anything that's under that, but as far as a main protein source that's on your plate, that's the number we want to round about to, okay? So this is the grocery haul, mostly specifically for the hot pot that we're going to be doing. I'll probably attach a picture of the hot pot. Matter of fact, maybe I should just grab it so y'all can check out the hot pot. One sec. All right, so this is the hot pot that I grabbed from Amazon. Brenda loves hot pot. We be going to the hot pot restaurants, all right? So I figured I'd just buy her one at the house. I got this one off of Amazon. I'll put a link to it down below in the description so y'all can grab it as well. But it's really cool. 2 people can cook at the same time, so I can make my soup on this side. She can make hers on that side. We can have different flavors, stuff like that. And you can put this anywhere. I have this over there on the table. I bought like this restaurant table from like this restaurant company. It's a real big table. I'll show that in probably the next video or another video. Maybe attach it below so y'all can see us eating the hot pot. But have it at the table. You can turn this on and it slowly starts the pot. You can put it on high and it starts cooking it. You can turn it down low, whatever you want to do. So that way you don't got to cook, on a stove. You can have this wherever you want. It's a real cool little experience, whatever you want to do like that. So that's it for the video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed, learn a thing or two. I'll probably do a hot pot video, like I said, to show you all how we're eating these foods and making these foods in the hot pot, and so y'all can join. So link to the hot pot down below in the description. If you want more educational content, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment down below. As always, I would love for you all to join the community and get access to all the tools, resources, courses, and everything else that you need to be plant-based. to build muscle, lose fat, so on and so forth. Be in our community by joining the Built by Plants Pocket Coach. There's a link down below for you to join for $1 for 7 days. Then it's just $27 per month. Cancel anytime, but you're not gonna cancel. You're gonna love it. I'll see y'all there. Peace. I want to invite you to join the Built by Plants Pocket Coach, which is our private community and app where I have all the tools, the resources, the courses, and the community to help you succeed towards your goals. We have an actual drag and drop meal plan builder that's going to allow you to grab foods that are inside of what we call the virtual kitchen. It's basically all of our plant-based recipes that have been designed to specifically work for the calories and the protein that you need so you can make some progress. You can take the meals out of the virtual kitchen and drag and drop them onto your meal plan builder. And every day, Monday through Sunday, it'll let you know what you're taking in, a recipe video to show you how to make them, also how many calories for that specific day, so you can stay structured. Also, it's going to give you a virtual grocery list so you can grab only what you need so you're not wasting money when you get into the grocery store. I know that sounds perfect, but let me tell you the rest. It's also have a private community and an actual app that you can download from the App Store or the Android store so you can post inside of our community. Similar to like Facebook without all the junk, this is specifically towards people that have goals that want to see themselves succeed on a plant-based diet. Even if you've been plant-based for 15 years, you can always make progress towards how your body looks. And that's what this is geared towards. So all of our community members are posting their meals, they post their workouts, they ask questions, and every Sunday we meet on a Zoom call where we're connecting, we're growing, we're creating new recipes from scratch, we're meal prepping together, doing all type of cool things that's gonna help you stay in line and stay mentally prepared and mentally focused so you can actually reach your goal, right? I know you only lost 20 pounds before, but guess what? It usually comes right back. Because you don't have no support, you don't have no accountability, you don't have no guidance, you don't have nobody in your life in this area that's helping you make progress. And that's what I want for you. Once you go to that next page, it's $27 per month in order to get the Pocket Coach. And you can cancel if you don't like it, but you're not gonna cancel, you're gonna love it. I will see you inside the Pocket Coach so I can help you make progress towards your goals and stick with this lifestyle for the rest of your life. See you in a few.